Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google Ads Manager account and enabling API access. This gives you a developer token required for calls. Next, create an OAuth 2 client ID and secret in Google Cloud. This is how you authenticate. Once done, obtain a refresh token by running a quick local OAuth flow and store the developer token, client credentials, and refresh token in a secure config file or vault. This immediate step ensures you can programmatically call the API without manual login interruptions. Now you install the official Google Ads client library for your language and import it into your project. This reduces boilerplate and handles auth. Then configure the provided config file, Google Ads, YAML or env-vars with developer token, client ID/secret, refresh token, and login customer ID so requests route correctly. After configuration, run a simple get customer or search stream request to validate connectivity and permissions. If that succeeds, you've confirmed auth, correct account targeting, and basic request/response. To complete tasks, use the API's service objects, campaign service and add group service. To create, update, or remove resources, use mutate operations for atomic changes. Once done, batch writes with partial failure and validate only to preview and safely apply changes while catching issues. If you hit errors, check developer token approval, OAuth scopes, refresh token expiry, and quota limits. These are the usual culprits. If permissions block an action, make sure the logging customer ID targets a manager with access, and refresh your token before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.